Hey, welcome back to the channel. Back on the motorcycle, more maintenance. So I got the fork back. The seal's been replaced. It was done at Poway Motorcycle. They're on Poway Road, just south of the south side of the street there, down by the car wash on the east end of town. And they do pretty good work. The fork, the labor and the seal was about $92 out the door, which is pretty good. Not gonna really mess with it, take it apart for that. Those guys do pretty good work. I actually even get my tires from them. I have my tires put on over there, so I'm gonna just stick this back on there real quick. Hopefully it goes back in as easy as it did come out, right? There it is, bike still here. It hasn't fallen over, so that's a good sign. Just gonna try to put it back on, kind of something. Just gonna put it back on real quick. Got that, just gotta get these 3 bolts tightened right here. Loosen this guy up. There's that. Tighten this guy up here. All right. Walkie-talkie, put it back. Pump the brake. Let it off the all right, there it is. I need to adjust the dampening. I think it's open all the way. So I got to get the book and look it up, but that's it. That's all that's to it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.